Hello. Hello, Parrot.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Musa village.
Okay. Today you have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, tell me what it is.
This is a camera.
Next one.
This is a jungle. This is a machines.
Machine.
Machines.
This is a machine.
This is a machine.
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 Lina, can you press again? Can you back to that slide? This is a machine.
This is a machine. This is a cloud.
This is a cloud.
This is an island.
This is an island.
This is an island. This is a robot. This is
a chair.
treasure. This is a doctor.
This is a doctor. He is a doctor.
She is a nurse. He is a cook.
He is a cook.
He is a cook. He is a farmer.
He's a farmer.
He is a train driver.
He's a train driver.
She is a pirate.
She's a pirate. What is this place?
This is a town.
This is a town.
This is a city.
What is this place?
Is a village.
Village. Who are they?
They are people.
They are people. What are these?
These are things.
These are things. Okay. What are these?
These are places.
These are places.
These are places.
Okay, tell me, can you tell me what are they? What are they two adjectives?
They are famous.
Famous, can you spell the word?
F-A-M.
Can you point to that? Point. No. Famous.
Famous.
F-A-M.
F-A-M.
O-U. And S. Famous. Okay. How about the second one?
Famous.
No, the second one.
Terrible.
Terrible. Terrible.
Terrible.
How does she feel?
She
feel
is exciting.
She feel exciting. How does the boy feel?
Boy feel it boring.
The boy feel boring. Next one. Tell me the lesson.
The lesson is difficult. The lesson is easy.
Next one. What can you say about this book?
This book is boring. This book is exciting. This book is difficult.
Next one. How exciting is this?
The book one.
No, not there. Book 1 or book 2?
Book one
is
exciting.
No, book 1 is small.
Book one is more exciting than book two.
Correct. Next one.
Book three is more exciting than book two.
Okay, book 3 is more exciting than book 2. How difficult is it?
Book 2 is difficult than book 1.
Book 2 is difficult than book 1. Next one. Book
2 is more difficult than book 3.
Okay, next one. What is the most difficult book?
Book 2. The most
Book 2 is the
Book 2 is the more difficult. The most difficult book.
Okay, next one. What is the most exciting book?
The book 1.
No, book 1.
Book 1 is the most exciting book.
Okay. Who is more beautiful?
It's Lily.
Lily is
more beautiful
than
Elsa.
Okay, next one. Who is the most handsome man? Ken.
Ken is the most handsome man.
Okay. This is the end of your speaking test. So thank you and goodbye.
Bye.